So I have this Excel with US cities with their latitude and longitude, and what I'm looking to do is to convert this Excel file into a GPX file. I'm going to use an online converter called GPS Visualizer. So Google GPS Visualizer or simply click on the link under the description below in order to get directly to this website. So I will click on GPS Visualizer. You will get this website. This is a very handy website if you want to convert all type of data, especially GPX and Google Earth KML data. So I will start by uploading my Excel file. So I will go ahead to get started now and click on choose file. Then navigate to your work folder and select your Excel. For me it's this one, US cities, and then click on open. And now you can choose an output format. So for us, we are looking to get a GPX file. Click on it and then click on convert it. After that you will get your output file as a GPX, but you can see that the website only took my latitude and my longitude from my Excel file. In my Excel file I have also this column with my city names. So this website does not include non-numerical columns in the output file. So if you want to convert your data and keep your attributes, you can watch my tutorial on how to convert Excel into GPX using Global Mapper. So now I will go ahead and download this GPX file. Just click on here, go to your work folder and then click on save. After that you can see that we got successfully our GPX file in our folder. So you can use this GPX file directly inside of your GPS. So now to make sure that this GPX file is working properly, so Global Mapper has the advantage of reading a lot of extensions including the GPX extension. So I will go ahead and test it. I will click on open data file or head over to file and then click on open data file. Go to your work folder and select the GPX file that we have just created and then click on open. And you can see that this data is accurate. So as you can see, this data does not contain any attributes. You can go to your imported GPX file, right click on it and then click on edit attributes, and you can see that there is no attributes for my points. To make sure that this data is in its right position, I will go ahead and add a base map by going to file, then click on download online imagery. I will go to under imagery and I will click on word imagery, then connect. This is the easiest way to convert Excel file into GPX. I hope this was useful. If so, please like it and subscribe if you want to get more tutorials.